If you want a cosplay vision board that's simple to make, will help keep you motivated, and you're gonna want to keep it forever afterwards, definitely watch until the end of this video because I'm gonna be sharing with you a fun way to customize your cosplay vision board. Hi friends, I'm Larissa. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I post videos on anime, gaming, cosplay, and just kawaii related things on here. If you're into that stuff, definitely click subscribe below so you can see more videos about that. But if there's anything that you want to see from me or you just want to let me know, definitely comment below because I would love to check anything that you're interested in out. How to create a cosplay vision board, a results-based progress board for your cosplay goals. To start off though, for creating this cosplay vision board, there are 5 steps. Step number 1, list out the characters you want to cosplay as. So grab a piece of paper or a notebook, something to write with like a pen or a marker, pencil, and then just start brainstorming. You can set up your goals however you'd like. Is it for this year? Is it your ultimate goals, especially if you've been cosplaying for a while? Or are you gonna be like me and plan to set a little bit more easier goals just to kind of get yourself used to cosplaying? Think of ones you plan to make and also ones that you plan to buy, and just decide what you believe you can achieve in the next year or so. Step number 2, gather your items. You're gonna need some kind of board to post on, a printer with ink, preferably color, paper, scissors, and something to post your pictures up with. So I had already created like a basic lifestyle kind of vision board, but now I'm gonna clear this grid out for my new cosplay vision board. Next, just go online, look for pictures of the characters that you want to cosplay, and then just try to compile them on a page and fix their sizing based on how you want them to look when you print it out. Step number 3, print and cut out the characters that you want to cosplay as. Now that you're done gathering everything and putting all the character pictures on a page, go turn on your printer and print them all out. And this next step is pretty simple, just cut out the characters. I just cut around their shapes, but you can cut them in straight lines or squares or rectangles or however you want. Step number 4, spread out your layout. So this one's just pretty easy. All you really need to do is gather all the pictures that you had cut out and determine how you want to lay it out on your board. You could put all the ones that you plan to buy on the top or on the left side, and then maybe the ones that you're gonna try to create and make yourself on the bottom or on the right side. Or you could put it in chronological order of how you plan to cosplay for the rest of this year. Like if you want to do this one first and then this is going to be the next one. Or if there are some that have like similar pieces, like maybe some share the same wig that you can kind of pair together. It really all depends on you, what you believe will be best for you and what will keep you motivated. But when I say spread out, spread them out and make sure there's enough spacing for possibly another size of them. And I will show you why in step 5. Step number 5, update your progress. So this is something that you're actually going to be completing throughout your cosplay goal journey. This is why the cosplay vision board is also called a results-based vision board. It's interactive, so you can go ahead and update your progress whenever you complete a cosplay. What you're gonna do is print out a picture of your cosplay and put it right next to the character that you had pinned up. That's why they had those open spaces. As you see here, I have some examples of 4 that I've done before, and over time, once you complete the cosplay, you're just gonna print out a picture of yourself and put it up there, and then you're done. I hope you can see my background on there. So that is the completed way to make this vision board. Again, it's simple. It really is just you basically making a list, printing out those number of characters that you want to cosplay as, and then over time you just print out a picture of you after you've cosplayed as it. And it's motivating because you have all of these blank spaces everywhere that just kind of want to fill it in. It just seems empty. It feels incomplete, and that's the reason why it'll help motivate you so you can go ahead and try to complete something that you've already started. started. And that's basically why you're gonna want to keep it forever afterwards, because you get to see the whole progress of all of the cosplays that you had a goal for. So at the very end, once you complete the whole vision board, you can go ahead and either keep it forever, just kind of like as a memento to look at, or if you want the board to continue on your next cosplay vision goals, you could just take a picture and it's gonna last forever. So I definitely think this is a great way for you to kind of have more of an interactive type of cosplay vision board. So over the time frame of your cosplay goals, you're still going ahead and updating it over time. So I'm really excited to see how mine comes out. I will definitely probably put a video out once that's ready. Like once I go through all of these, all 10 of these, I will definitely make a video and show all of my cosplays on there as well. So I am excited for that, and it feels like I am more set on actually achieving my goal. I am gonna create another cosplay vision board. This is just more of the interactive see my process one, but the next one that I'm gonna create is one that has all of the pieces, like my planning board, so I can visualize every piece that I need for each cosplay on there and what I need to buy, what I need to make, just so I can go ahead and finally take action and cosplay as that character. If you end up making this cosplay vision board or the next one, definitely click subscribe so you can see when the next one comes out. Send me a picture of it. You can send it to me through IG, tag me on it, or Twitter or anything like that. My socials are in the description below. Follow me on there so we can connect. I hope that helped give you idea of how to make a cosplay vision board that, one, again, is super simple to make and will hopefully keep you motivated. And I really do believe it's gonna be something that you will want to keep forever, just because you should be proud of being able to complete your cosplay vision goals. Making your cosplay or even buying it is a huge step towards reaching your cosplay goals. Cosplay is for everyone. Please, especially on my channel, there is no gatekeeping. So if you end up making all your cosplays or buying all your cosplays, I'm just excited for you to finally go have a fun year becoming the character that you want to be. I hope you had a lot of fun. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and click subscribe for my next video. But until then, definitely check out this video right here. Okay, bye friends. I hope you have a wonderful day.